welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through my current nighttime routine. This is what I've been doing since the beginning of the year, especially on nights where I want to feel really relaxed going into another day. So I come back home, drop my bags, drop my keys like you guys saw, and then I change into comfortable shoes. This is a must for me, okay? And then I also change into something very comfortable. I like to wear oversized t-shirts, so I'm just going to wear that with a pair of shorts, and I'll swap out my jewelry at this point. I had these heavy hoops on my ears, and it was such a relief taking them off. I just massaged my ears first, and then I replaced them with something much lighter, like earrings that were much lighter. I then go downstairs and I just try to set the mood all over the house. I light some candles at this point. I just light them at different points in the house. They smell really good and they are very relaxing for me. Some of the candles that I have here are the ones from my advent calendar last year from Diptyque, and they smell so good, so good. After that, I move on to my tea. I like a cup of tea whenever I'm about to do something, watch something, do a class, do a session. I just like to drink something warm while I am doing that. So I grab a cup and then I go to the pantry and I grab my tea. Evening time, I love decaffeinated tea. It has to be decaf. I don't drink anything with caffeine after 2 p.m. because it's going to keep me awake. And I just make it with ingredients that I would use for my regular types of tea. I like to use just one tea bag. Anything more than one, you run into the risk of having caffeine in your tea. So I just do one tea bag and I steep it with hot water. After that, I use some maple syrup and some oat milk. These are my regulars. I just shake the oat milk up a little bit before pouring, but I love the way that it tastes with my tea. After that, I just go to the living room and get ready for the session that I'm about to have. You know, one thing I've learned is that at the beginning of the year, everything always feels so exciting. New goals, new habits, and then like by April, life starts lifing, and some of those habits, they begin to fade. And I've realized that real change is not from trying to reinvent yourself overnight. It's actually those small habits you do consistently that start to compound over time. One place where I've personally learned this is through therapy. I remember having a moment where I realized I was being extremely hard on myself and carrying pressure that I didn't even notice anymore, and just learning to understand my own patterns helped me give myself more grace and approach situations differently instead of always feeling overwhelmed. So quick one before I continue, this part of this video is a paid partnership with BetterHelp. I know that a lot of us want new habits in a new season, but sometimes what we actually need is space to understand ourselves, because copying what works for other people without understanding yourself can honestly make things even more frustrating. What I like about BetterHelp is that it makes it easy to start therapy. You fill out a questionnaire and you can get matched with a credentialed therapist in as little as a couple of days. And if you don't feel like your first match is the best fit, you can switch therapists anytime at no extra cost. I've told you guys this multiple times over the years. So if you're thinking of starting therapy this year, you can click on the link in my description box or go to betterhelp.com/Dimma to get 10% off your first month of therapy. After that, I go upstairs and I change into workout clothes. I put my hair up in a pony because I don't like hair on my body when I know I'm about to sweat. I brush things up a little bit and then I take my walking pad to where I need it to be. Now guys, I love to walk. Walk is my favorite workout. I love to take outdoor walks or I do indoor walks. And for indoor walks, I like to do it on a walking pad in front of a TV screen. I hate treadmills because I know that I cannot move the treadmill to the front of a screen. I love walking in front of the TV because it it just distracts me from the fact that I am walking in one position for a long period of time. I like to walk for about an hour. In fact, I pair my walks to one episode of the show that I'm currently watching, The Gilded Age. So one episode of this show is like an hour, so I pair it to that episode, and then after the episode is done, I just get off the walking pad. Walking is so good. I prefer it to any other form of workout. I just find it very convenient. It works for me. I love it so much. It helps me get my steps in, and yeah, I love walking. I take my time, do this, and after an hour, I stop the machine and I get down. I just unplug it at this point after I've taken off my shoes, and I take the walking pad back to the location where I store it, and then I move to the shower. Guys, I love to take a bath. I actually started doing this year. Like, I love to soak and do other things. This is so relaxing for me, and as someone who has not had a bathtub in over 10 years, this is one of my favorite things when it comes to my bathroom. Like, this is one of those things that was a non-negotiable for me when it came to this particular place. I wanted to be able to soak. So I put my bath foam in, I light a candle, I bring my iPad into the bathroom, and then I continue wherever I stopped in the show, especially if I feel like I need to continue with the episode, or I feel like there are things that are still pending, like I really want to know how it wrapped up. I just continue watching the show, or I watch something else at this point. I really, really love The Gilded Age, guys. Check it out. I then move on to skincare at this point. I have already washed my face, so I just use my benzoyl peroxide treatment, guys. This is literally, honestly, the one tried and tested thing for me when it comes to keeping pimples and new breakouts at bay, and I dry it down really quickly. It doesn't take time to dry. Sometimes I don't even use a fan, but I use a fan to speed things up. Once everything has dried down, I'll go in with my moisturizer from the same brand. I really, really love the moisturizer. It's really hydrating, really moisturizing, but it does not clog your pores. After that, I go in with a lip mask. This one is my favorite, my OG. I use this to moisturize my lips. And then I go in with my EOS body butter, guys. This has really converted me. I will not be going back to the bottles again. This actually just made me realize that this particular lotion was actually made for this type of packaging. The pumps on the bottles are too stressful. Then I go in with a body mist and I just spray this all over. And then I use my Cicaplast Balm from La Roche on my scar. This is going to keep that area hydrated and just moisturized. I use the Sacred Edge drops. This thing works, guys. Just take it from me. It works. Once I'm done with that, I move on to dinner. I already meal prepped some things a couple of days ago. I meal prepped some white rice with this minced beef, ground beef sauce that I saw this creator on TikTok give a tutorial on. I really love it. It's like a Thai, I can't remember what it's called to be honest, but it's a Thai basil type of like sauce that goes really well with rice. I love it, okay? I just kind of transfer it to a plate and pop it in the microwave. Now now, just to make things feel exciting before I eat this every day, I like to fry 1 egg, sunny side up, and cut some spring onion and pair it with the food. So while the food is heating up in the microwave, I cut the spring onion really quickly. I just cut 1 spring onion and then I'll fry 1 egg. I like to use this olive oil spray to fry my egg. And like I told you guys, just 1 egg. Nothing stressful, super easy. I fried sunny side up. I'm not scrambling it or even putting salt or pepper, nothing. This is like whenever I want to eat eggs and I feel like I don't have the time to boil an egg, but I want the egg to feel like it's boiled. This is the way that I just prepare the eggs, guys. It's so easy. So now that my food is heated up, I just sprinkled the spring onions all over. And then I place the egg right on top. I put some chili crisp. This was given to me by Thai, guys. This chili crisp is so good. It's very, very spicy though, but it's so good. So I just put a little bit of it all over, and yeah, it gives everything a really nice flavor. So my husband is not yet back at this point, so I'm eating dinner alone because I want to eat dinner like really early. I'm trying to do better, guys, when it comes to eating habits. So I eat my food alone, and what I do at this point is like I kind of watch things or go through social media at this point while I eat. Take my time out to clear my plate. Very chill, very easy. After that, I just go into the kitchen and really quickly fill up my pill container and my supplement container for the week. And right now I'm currently on calcium and magnesium as supplements. My sister actually put me on these, and the calcium especially I think has helped me in recent times with PMS. So I just fill it up and make sure that all the days are complete. And then I just go back into the living room and just close the curtains for the night. I also at this point turn off all the candles, and then I go upstairs to wrap my hair. I just take it down and use a hairband, and then you use a bonnet, okay? This system or method is the only way now that I feel like has worked for me. At least when I wrap my hair like this, I wake up with my wrap still on my head. And yeah, I get into bed at this point. One thing I've been doing of late is taking really good care of my nails, guys. I learned because I did BIAB in December, that didn't last. I'll tell you guys about that in an upcoming video. But when I was kind of trying to research why my nails kept lifting, I was actually informed, okay, that it was because I wasn't moisturizing my nails properly, like with cuticle oil and all of that. So you guys, I'm about to do that, you guys will see. But before I did that, I also make sure that I just file. There's no BIAB on my nails right now, so I just make sure that I filed anything that would snag and then use the cuticle oil. This one from OPI is really, really good. After that, I just massage the oils into the actual cuticles. Then I proceed to read whatever book I am reading for the night. And this one is The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. I already finished this now at this point. And guys, this book is so good. I'll highly recommend. And yeah, after that, I just pray and go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.